Hello everyone! Today I am going to be doing an unboxing of my Smart Apple Folio case for my iPad Pro. So, let's get to it. So this cost me €120. Oh come on! And it arrived yesterday. So I'm only recording the unboxing today because I got home late last night from work, so I can only do it today. I've been waiting to put this on my iPad for ages. Ages. Come on. Okay. This packaging, this is, out of all the stuff I've gotten from Apple, this seems like it's the least amount of cardboard that's been used. From the phone even, they use too much cardboard. Like way too much, like anything. Even the Apple pencil box, like they use so much cardboard and plastic. See, this is minimum amount of cardboard. So I got the cactus green one and my iPad's a 12.9 inch. Cactus green, 12.9 inch. So I got the cactus green one and my iPad's 12.9 inch, so obviously it's a 12.9 inch case. So oh, it looks great. It looks exactly like the smart cover that I got for my iPad mini. Okay, so here it is. Pull tab. So yeah. Hey, come on. Ooh, feels nice. How do I get it out? I'm kind of glad I went with this one in the end. Ooh, looks and feels nice. I actually expected the green to be a lot more pale than this. In the pictures, it looks a lot more pale, but I love this green. And it actually goes in side to side with my phone, because my phone I'm using to record this is midnight green. So yeah. So good. Feels nice. This end. So let's get my iPad. I'll be keeping this box. I keep the box of all my products that I unbox that are like stuff like Apple accessories or Apple products or any other kind of products from any other kind of company. So I'll be able to like put in backgrounds and stuff and collect. Just put this off to the side. Over here. Put this here. Where is my iPad? Here. So where's this? Yes, it's right there. Okay. Boom, it's held on by magnets. Wow, that's heavy. See how strong are these magnets? Not very. Anyway, it's not like you're going to be doing that with your iPad anyways, so that doesn't matter. It's strong enough. They're strong enough for what you need to actually use it for. So obviously, locks the iPad, wakes the iPad, locks it, wakes it, locks it, wakes it, locks it, wakes it. And then you can fold it back like this. What's nice is because the magnet stays like that. I just needed a little bit of protection and a way to prop it up. So now how do you prop this up? Actually, don't know how you please. Oh, thank God. Okay. So I just needed a way to prop it up for watching videos and typing stuff, so this would be perfect. Oh my god, I'm going to be using this all the time. So nothing more to talk about with this, it's just the cover. So yeah, that's the unboxing of my Apple Smart Folio case, and maybe I'll do a review in a couple of weeks. Comment down below what you like about the Smart Folio case. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment the video, and turn on the notification bells to get notified whenever I post a new video. See you, bye!